In this video, we are going to discuss the first question of exercise 3.1 of chapter 3 of class 10, that is a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now children, let us see what is the question. The question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Now children, you are given a situation and you have to represent this situation algebraically also and graphically also. So first of all, we will consider this thing. How will we represent this situation algebraically? Now children, some students find these kind of question, which they call word problems, very difficult. But children, they are not difficult at all. आपको सिर्फ मेथड आना चाहिए how to convert the situation into equation. So algebraically means we have to convert this situation into an equation. So for this, first of all we need to understand कि इस question में किस चीज़ की बात हो रही है. When this question is asked from the students, what is their reply? They say कि आफ्ताब और उसकी daughter की. But this is not the correct answer, children. You have to focus on the problem कि किस particularly specifically किस चीज़ की बात हो रही है. So children, you will notice they are talking about the age of Aftab and his daughter. Okay. Now, when you start this question, we will start like this. Let Aftab's present age be X years. Present age of Aftab, X years, and Aftab's daughter's present age, Y years. Here the word present is very important. First of all, we are talking about their present ages. So some students do not write this. They directly start making the equation, which is absolutely wrong. जब तक आप ये नहीं बताओगे what is variable X is representing and what is variable Y representing, तो आपकी equation does not make any sense at all, children. Okay, so we'll do like this. Let Aftab's present age be X years and Aftab's daughter's present age be Y years. Now children, we'll come back to the problem again. Situation. What is the situation saying? 7 years ago. So first of all, focus on this. 7 years ago. And think, 7 years ago, what was Aftab's age? If he's X years now, 7 years पहले वो -7 होगा इस एज से 7 का. So we will write it mathematically like this. This is optional. If you want to write this, you can write, or directly you can make the equation, but this is must. So age 7 years ago, Aftab, X minus 7, X minus 7, and daughter, Y minus 7. Okay. First of all, generally we will discuss what will be the age of Aftab and his daughter 7 years ago. Now we'll come back to the question. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Now I have written according to the question. What is the question saying? 7 years ago, I. Children, you have to focus on each and every word. 7 years ago, I. I means Aftab. 7 years ago, Aftab. So mathematically it is X minus 7. So I have written X minus 7. So here I have written 7 years ago, I have written till here. Okay. Now this is also very important, was. Whenever you are converting a situation into equation, these words are very important. Is, was, will, shall, they all represent is equal to. Okay. So when I put this is equal to sign, you know what have I written? I have written 7 years ago I was. Now focus on the other thing. 7 years ago I was 7 times. 7 times is represented like this. 7 multiplied by bracket. What किस चीज का 7 times? 7 times as old as you were then. Who is you here? You is Aftab's daughter. So daughter was y minus 7 years ago. So 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay. After that, I hope you can solve it on your own. So I've just opened the bracket and got the equation. Now some students ask me कि ma'am 7 times तो 7 times आफ्ताब था, then why his daughter's age is being multiplied by 7? He's saying 7 years ago I was 7 times. So अगर आफ्ताब 7 times था तो why are we multiplying daughter's age by 7? तो children इसका आंसर बहुत सिंपल है, ध्यान से समझो. Whenever we are writing an equation, तो जब भी आपको equation is equal to का साइन दिखाई दे, it is like a beam balance, तराजू. Okay? Suppose I put आफ्ताब्'s age on one side and daughter's age on the other side. Now you know they are not equal, they are not same. So balance will not be equal. Okay, आफ्ताब्'s side will be a little lower. ठीक है, तराजू you must have seen. तो whatever is heavier वो थोड़ा नीचे झुकेगा. तो आफ्ताब is elder than his daughter. तो इसकी वाली age will come down. Now whenever we are making an equation, we have to equate them. इसको equal करना है, balance करना है. तो आफ्ताब is 7 times as old as his daughter. तो ये already 7 times है. तो इसको balance करने के लिए we will multiply daughter's age with 7 so that they are balanced. I hope this is clear to you. So because we are putting is equal to sign here, so daughter's age is lesser. So that is why we are multiplying it by 7. So I was 7 times as old as you were then. I hope you have understood this. Now the second part. Also 3 years from now. That means after 3 years. So again this is optional. If you want to write this, you can write. Otherwise directly you can make the equation. So after 3 years, Aftab's age will be x plus 3 and daughter y plus 3. So according to the question, what is he saying? 3 years from now. Yani after 3 years I. So I have written x plus 3. Then next is shall be. I shall be. I shall be matlab x plus 3 is equal to. Now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So this is 3 times as old as you will be. You means daughter. So again I've got this equation here. Okay. Now I have represented when I got these two equations. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So when I have written like this, I have expressed them algebraically. This part is over. Now comes the turn of graphically. You know how to make the graph of an equation. You have done in class 9 also. Now first of all you take this equation. आपका choice है. If you want to put the value of x here, तो x की कोई भी value आप डालोगे, you will get the value for y, and if you put the value for y here, you will get the value of x. So this is your choice how you want to solve it. आपको किसकी value डालनी है, that is absolutely your choice. So I've got these 3 values here. If I've taken x is equal to minus 7, I've got the value of y as 5, and for x is equal to 0, I've got 6, and for x is equal to 7, I've got 7. So here I want to make one thing very clear. Children, whenever you are making the graph, you know that if we plot any 2 points and we join them, we get a line. Okay? 2 points are enough to get a line. Now why do we plot this third point also? Why do we calculate this third value also? Just to verify, to check कि हमारा correct है कि नहीं. If all 3 are forming a straight line, that means you are correct. So first of all, we will make the table for this first equation and we'll get these points. Then for the second equation in the same way, we will get 3 point. I have taken these 3 value. You can take any other 3 values, and after making these 2 tables, you will plot them on the graph. You know that how to make the graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and then one by one, first of all, for this equation you will plot the points, you will join them to get a line, and then for this equation again you will draw a line, and this is your representation graphically. Then you will be representing these 2 equations graphically जब आप इनके टेबल्स बना के इनका ग्राफ बनाओगे, both the equation on the same graph. Okay, I hope this is clear to you.